I'm not too sure if you guys can see, but look at the mist, the fog around. Beautiful weather. Good morning from Kutta. Our ride starts back to Mangalore about 5:45 in the morning. So time to start from this place. Good morning from Kutta. So it's about time. Whoa. So it's kind of morning trail, and because it's rained, it's nice, slippery. Back to the main road. Early morning, 6 o'clock, riding from Kutta to Mangalore. What a weather again, amazing. Cloudy weather, it's been raining here the last 2 days, especially yesterday afternoon, it just poured down. I haven't heard lightning, as in I haven't heard thunder that way for a long time. It just thundered like it was no tomorrow. Yeah, so morning ride. So just to hit the beat, we all started early in the morning, and the idea is to reach at the earliest, just to avoid all the heat, because once we enter Puttur Sulya side, it's going to be scorching hot. So if we can reach there by maybe 11ish, could be a good ask. So before that, yes, we'll obviously have a couple other stops. We'll definitely stop for breakfast. I'm not too sure if you guys can see, but look at the mist, the fog around. Beautiful weather. Nice. And it's kind of chilly too. Lovely. Good that we decided to start early, because this weather is absolutely stunning. Almost reaching Virajpet, another 3-4 kilometers we reach Virajpet, and we'll probably stop there, regroup. It's been a while, can't see most of them, so we'll regroup there and then proceed forward. Lovely day to ride. I mean, You can see yourself how good is this place around, and the weather is absolutely splendid. Just fasten your seat belt, sit back and just enjoy this view. So just finished our breakfast at Santrapti, and now on our way back to Mangalore. What a lovely day it has been, especially near Madikeri. The mist was absolutely unreal. Let's go now to Mangalore. What a fantastic morning it has been now. So it's about 9:30. Good breakfast at Samtripti, Sulya, and now off to Mangalore. We'll have a small stop at Kabakaputtur. We'll be saying hi to Ramnath there, and then from there, next direct stop would be back home. And here we are at Bani. Just finished descending the ghat and got down. And the minute you've reached here at Bani, the weather has just started kicking in. It's super hot. Can't wait to get back home and just get into shelter. Better than what it could have been. It could have gone worse in terms of weather. It's still better than normal summer weather. Yeah, but then any which way we've been, traveling. So the weather could have been worse, but it's okay. It's hot. This could have been worse. So ideally the plan is to reach home by 11:30 or 12 max, and enjoy the Sunday. So thank you everyone for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do give it a thumbs up, share this video, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And until the next video, stay at home, keep it rolling. Bye bye.